Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can remote your camera from the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, first of all you need to connect your Smart Band to the iPhone through this iFitness. After you already connect it, now you can just scroll down on your band and you will see this app button camera, and now open your iPhone camera, and you can now press to capture the photo with your Smart Band. Okay, change it to video record, and then I press record. Okay, and it's recording, and then stop record. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can remote your camera on your iPhone through the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.